Hello friends! Today we are making another themed necklace from A to Z, so without further ado, let's dive in the ocean and begin. Since every charm on this piece is a sea creature, I wanted to share a few random facts about some of them that I thought were fascinating, starting with whales. We as humans use our fingerprints to make many things because it is unique. Well, humpback whales do not have fingers, however the underside of their tail is the perfect equivalent. Each whale has a distinctive pattern that allows scientists to specifically recognize a specimen. The narwhal is a species of toothed whale that we could consider as a marine unicorn. Actually, the male narwhal only has 2 teeth, but they do not grow the same way. The right one usually remains in the skull. The left one, however, grows out through the upper lip and forms a tusk that can measure up to 3 meters. You might have heard of beluga whales. They are these cute little whales with a very prominent and bulging forehead. Well, this forehead is a very special feature because it can change shape to make different chirps, clicks, and squeal sequences in order to communicate. Let's move on to jellyfish. These animals have no heart, no brain, no lungs, no bones, and no blood. I think it is adequate to say that it is pretty rudimentary. They, however, have a simple nerve net that allows them to sense their environment and respond to stimuli. There is one type of jellyfish that is called immortal jellyfish. This species has the incredible ability to revert to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. To make it simple, during its life cycle, a jellyfish goes through different stages, one of which is a polyp, an immature form if you will. If, once an adult medusa, the animal is injured, or in water either too cold or too hot, it can turn the clock back and become a polyp, to then grow exactly the same way all over again without the injury. Now, let's have a look at sea stars. Just like jellyfish, sea stars do not have a brain, nor do they have blood. In spite of this, they do have a decentralized nervous system, as well as a sort of eye. Indeed, at the tip of their arms, they have little eye spots that can detect light and dark and help them recognize shapes and navigate. Sea stars might not have blood, but instead they use seawater to pump nutrients through their body. Seawater is also essential to sea stars to move and breathe. Talking about nutrients, starfish have an original way of digesting. When they need to feed themselves, they open their mouth to let their stomach turn inside out and insert itself into the shells of their prey. It then releases digestive enzymes that liquefy the soft tissues in order to draw the nutrients into the body. If some jellyfish are immortal, starfish also have a superpower. Actually, if they encounter an unfortunate event and lose an arm, they are able to grow it back, even though it may take months. Well, friends, that is all. Feel free to leave a little jellyfish in the comments if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for spending this time with me once again, and I will see you very soon. Sweet kisses.